this is the final look. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe before you leave, and for those of you who are coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate one and each of you. And with no further ado, I will tell you what we're doing today. I have bought from a new eye palette, which is Freedom, and this is what we are getting, and we are creating today a look. And this is the palette, and hopefully it's not that shiny so you can see, and I'll open it and I'll show you. It comes with this, which we don't need because I like using brushes. Inside there's a mirror, you can see the mirror and my camera. And this is the colors. They're amazing. The reason I bought this palette is because there is a lot of bright colors, and I would love to create more and more colors with this palette. So every time when I post a new look, I have so many palettes now. I will be posting a lot of looks with all the different palettes, and the palettes I'm using, they're not pricey at all. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's just jump to the video and see what we're going to create today. Okay, now we're going to start with the eyeshadows. I'm going to use first, this is the brush. There's no numbers on the brush, but that's how it looks like. Yeah. So I'm going to start with nice transitioning color. This is a matte color. The fact I love that this palette has a mirror, and I really love that because when I apply the eyeshadows, I can use the mirror and it makes my job so much easier. So I'm going to start with a transitioning color. I'm going for nice and soft look, and I'm going to start with a color similar to my face color. So I'm going to start with this one here, the third one, and I'm going to just apply it. I'm going to start with this pink color here, that one. This is how much it picks the brush, look at that. So, oh god, did you see that? Do you see how much is coming off, guys? Well, that's not a good thing, not really. So let's see. Okay, there is still a lot of color here. So now I'm going to use let's see, a bit of probably the purpley color just here, this one. And now what I want to do is I want to use, I'm excited now, I want to use this gray the silvery color, and yeah, let's see what's going to happen. And this is a lot of color picking up, I can see that. Oh, okay. I think there is a lot of fallout on this. Okay, shall we do the other eye with setting spray and see what actually happens? Yeah, because I think with the setting spray there is a lot coming out. Okay, let's spray. Let's see if that's going to make it better. If the brush, oh god, yeah, look at that. Let's see. Oh my. Okay, so this is the way it has to be used. And we're trying to be precise, which is very difficult. I'm really shocked with the pigment that gives me, guys. I know it's a lot of fallout, but it's really pigmented. Look at the color. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to apply the same. I'm going to combine two of the colors and just do this. Okay, for the next step, what I want is I want to apply some dark color with the pencil brush just here, like the black one we have here, this one, and I'm going to apply that, and hopefully we don't destroy the look. Now we need to blend it, and probably the silver is gonna come down again, come off. So guys, I do have a lot of fallout, and it really frustrates me because I've just done my foundation and this means I have to do it again. So this palette, the colors are pigmented, but there is a lot of it, and I have somewhere here to come out. Anyway, I'm going to wipe that off, and it's frustrating, but I guess I'm gonna put concealer there. And then this is what's going to happen. We do the line here. Okay. So already looking better. Well, that was not the look I was going for, but that's what I guess every time when you start to create something, it's never what you think is gonna come out. It's always something different. It's the same thing is when I do a hairstyle. I have it in my mind one way, and then actually, oops, it happens something different. But I guess every time it's good because you're creating new stuff, and I'm quite creative person. So that's how it looks for the moment. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply my mascara, my eyelashes, and finish off the face so you can see the final look. So guys, this is the final look I created with Freedom eyelash. I created with Freedom palette, the Pro Decadence Club to that palette. This is the final look. Thank you so much for visiting, guys. Thank you so much for watching me, and I really appreciate if you give me thumbs up and if you subscribe to my channel, because there is a lot of videos to come. If you're wondering which lipstick I have used, it's from Revolution. It's a beautiful, and it's a long wear. It's a touch proof, and I did test it. You can have a look at my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to smile, don't forget to say what you think and do what you like, because that's what life is about. And give it thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next video.